Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, we offer our humble pranams, our humble obeisance at the divine lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. We welcome all the viewers across the world for this Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva from the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalaya Adi Sarvajna Peeta. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time to Kailasha's Nityananda TV, welcome to the official TV channel for Kailasha, the only and greatest Hindu nation in the world. Nityananda Paramashivam is the reviver of Kailasha, the ancient enlightened civilization, the great cosmic borderless Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness is an avatar from and is the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. His Divine Holiness has made the science of power manifestation, yoga, and temple-based universities for humanity. The sovereign order of Kailasha, led by His Divine Holiness, and Nityananda order of monks, nuns, and Hindu diaspora are working for the global peace. Nityananda Hindu University is the world's largest university, with extended campuses in 150 countries, is collecting, organizing, time capsuling, preserving, decoding, spreading the 20 million source books of Hinduism and sciences like Ayurveda, music, dance, sculpting, and 63 sacred arts. His Divine Holiness is the 293rd Guru Mahasannidhanam of Shyamala Peeta Sarvajna Peetam, the ancient apex body of Hinduism. His Divine Holiness is the current emperor of the Surya Vamsha Surangi Samrajyam. His Divine Holiness has survived the multiple assassination attempts the worst persecution, multiple assassination attempts on person and character by anti-Hindu elements. To explore more videos, you can visit Kailasha's Nityananda YouTube channel. For all of us, millions of Sri Kailashavasis all over the world, you and me, if we have had any spiritual breakthrough, if today we are able to manifest Shaktis and Kundalini awakening, it's because at the mere age of 12, His Divine Holiness did the Tyaga of sitting with utmost sincerity and ferociousness with himself and manifesting this ultimate spiritual breakthrough. Paramashiva has come down on planet Earth and manifested this grand Leela of his life for each and every one of us to be part. His Divine Holiness has taken this physical form and came down from Kailasha itself. Now that His Divine Holiness is here, we can celebrate his existence on planet Earth and his happening on planet Earth and spread this message of Sri Kailasha. We invite all the viewers across the world to share this message of Sri Kailasha, all on social media platforms, all on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As we are getting prepared, the introduction to Uttamottama Seva, an offering of Uttamottama Seva, pre-satsang leading to satsang by His Divine Holiness. Let us do what are all we can do to reach this message of Sri Kailasha. There are innumerable ways or reasons why His Divine Holiness Nityananda Paramashivam happened on planet Earth. He happened to cause the next evolutionary breakthrough for life on Earth. He happened to cause the Satya Yuga once again. He happened for the fulfillment of consciousness itself. And he happened for the entire humanity, and he happened exclusively for you at the same time. Today, we are offering Uttamottama Seva to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, His Divine Holiness. And on the eve of Skanda Sashti Vrata, we are offering to Lord Subramanya. Uttamottama Seva is a Vedic ritual straight from the sources, from the Agamas. Uttamottama means the best of the best. Seva is offering. The Uttamottama Seva is offering the best of the best to Paramashiva. Whatever we offer to Paramashiva comes back to us 1,000 folds, many million folds. And Paramashiva is the source of everything, be it grains, or knowledge, or skill, or people, everything. Offering them best of the best is the way we can offer out of gratitude to Paramashiva and being integrated to him and his words. Agamas is the only way we can actually offer him. Uttamottama Seva is an intrinsic ritual, is described by Paramashiva himself. So many offerings are there that have come down from the Vedic tradition as the best of the best offered since time immemorial in Sanatana Hindu Dharma. From the instruments to the offering of the food that should be offered to Paramashiva, the various types of dance, and the way it is danced. The Uttamottama Seva is described by Paramashiva as the best of the best. The Abharanam, Vastram, Gandham, Archanam, Dhupam, Deepam, Naivedyam, Aratrikam, Deepopacharam, Pushpanjalim, Chaturvedam, Gruhya Suktam, Agamastotram, Dravida Vedam, Nrityam, Sangeetam, and Vadyam, Swasti Vachanam. The source of all these best things is Paramashiva. He has given these to us, and offering them back at his feet is what we do during this Uttamottama Seva, whereby we experience intense Shakti Nipata and Advaita, the oneness, and manifest Shaktis of Paramashiva. And since it is Agama Vidhi, Paramashiva's instructions, we offer them during this Seva. The best of the food offered as Naivedyam, the best of movement a body can make offered as dance, the Nritya Seva, the best of the sound offered as music, Sangeeta Seva, the best of the consciousness offered as power manifestation, Shakti Avishkarana, the best that humanity can offer to Paramashiva as gratitude is offered in Uttamottama Seva. As the most compassionate master, answer for the millions of seekers to the deep prayers of the billions of people and the countless other living beings who yearn for the conscious breakthrough, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashiva, descended on planet Earth on January 2nd, 1978. His Divine Holiness was birthed by a group of enlightened beings who realized their divine purpose was directly facilitating the happening of superconsciousness in the physical plane. In order to sustain the superconsciousness energy in the physical body, his gurus trained His Divine Holiness with extreme yoga and various spiritual practices. Before, Swamiji narrates in his own words that before my own gurus made me manifest the spiritual alchemy science, I was put into Kaumara sadhana. The experience Kaumara or Subramanya or Skanda on the Skanda Sashti festival days. During the 6 days festival, not eating anything, making Subramanya yantra on sacred ash, and worshipping it and reciting the Skanda Sashti Kavacham and the Moola Mantra of Subramanya 36 times. This is Skanda Sashti Vrata is this spiritual practice personally initiated by Mataji Vibhudananda Puri. Not only he completed successfully, even till today he does this intensely without a single year missing. So it was a spiritual practice in very intense that His Divine Holiness had the darshan of Lord Subramanya and received the whole spiritual alchemy science as a gift. After that, till he had this public life, he started his public life, till today he never missed Skanda Sashti Vrata. And another experience His Divine Holiness shares when he was really young. During the pilgrimages to various places, his paternal grandmother, Anasuya Ammal, used to accompany His Divine Holiness in various pilgrimages. On such occasion, when His Divine Holiness and Anasuya Ammal were on a pilgrimage to Palani Dandayudapani temple, and there was a waiting for their chance. Suddenly, His Divine Holiness disappeared from the queue and Anasuya Ammal was panicked. Within minutes, His Divine Holiness appeared out of nowhere with a clean shaven head and stood giving darshan of Dandayudapani to Anasuya Ammal. This was such a profound experience that Anasuya Ammal shares. Lord Subramanya is the Lord of the spiritual alchemy process. That's why the greatest spiritual alchemist, the 18 Siddhas, all consider themselves as the descendants of Lord Subramanya and revere him as the guru of their sampradaya. Paramashiva himself manifested as Lord Subramanya to celebrate his own existence. Subramanya is the completion of Paramashiva in all its glory, power, auspiciousness, and tyaga. Skanda Mahapurana narrates the glory of Subramanya as the Lord Subramanya happened with the radiance of 1,000 suns and 6 faces and 12 hands to bestow the auspiciousness to the world. Lord Subramanya was the intense prayers of the Devas to kill the demons, the terrible demons at that time, Tarakasura. Lord Subramanya, another name is Kartikeya and is the embodiment of perfection. He was appointed as the commander-in-chief, as Deva Senapati. Devi Parashakti has given her matchless weapon, Vel, to Lord Subramanya. With his matchless weapon, the Shakti or lance, shining brilliantly like fire, he easily destroyed the Tarakasura, thus becoming the Shakti Dhara and Tarakari. Being very young and virile, he is also called as Kumara or Sanat Kumara. A forceful attacker in war, he is also known as Skanda. Skanda also means who has accumulated the power of chastity. He is the embodiment of courage and valor. He is also called as Shatru Samhara Devata. And whatever stops you from manifesting what you want is your enemy. Lord Subramanya destroys the enmity of your outer world enemies and destroys your inner world enemies also in the form of incompletions. His very birth was to destroy the enemies and to cause the realities of his devotees. Worshipping Lord Subramanya bestows ultimate health in one's life. He is the Lord of Aushadha, the divine alchemy medicine. Lord Subramanya reveals the sciences known as to heal diseases related to body, mind, and blood. Worshipping Lord Subramanya, you will be blessed with a victory in all endeavors of you in your life. You have the blessings of offering puja of Paramashiva and Devi Parashakti and Lord Subramanya at the same time, as Subramanya is manifested from the bioenergy of Paramashiva and biomemory of Devi Parashakti. Jnanavel, the sacred spear, was given to Lord Subramanya by Devi Parashakti as a blessing to him with her own presence and victory. So, worshipping this Lord Subramanya's veil is directly bestows both Devi Parashakti and Lord Subramanya's grace and blessings in our lives and bestows victory in any of our endeavors. Number 6 plays very important role in Skanda Shashti festivities. Lord Kartikeyan or Subramanya favorite number is 6, and Lord Subramanya depicts the 6th sense of the universe. The mantra recited for God, Lord Subramanya, has a syllable Sha-ra-na-va-bha-va, Saravana Bhava. The number 6 of great significance during this Skanda Sashti. And also, Lord Subramanya established the 6 enlightened ecosystems called Aru Padai Vidu. Through the 6 enlightened ecosystems, he gave the super consciousness breakthrough to the whole humanity. The 6 enlightened ecosystems are Palani, Tiruttani, Swamimalai, Pahamulu Cholai, Tirupondrakam, and Tiruchendur. Tiruchendur is the ecosystem where Lord Subramanya destroyed the demon king Shurapadman after 6-day long battle. At the end of the battle, due to the compassion of Subramanya, he turned Shurapadma as a peacock, and which is his vahana, and a other portion of this demon, he made it as his flag. Tiruparakundram is the ecosystem where Lord Subramanya came after destroying and liberating the demon king Shurapadman. This is also a place where Lord Indra gave his daughter Devayani in marriage to Lord Subramanya as a gratitude to him for destroying the demon. Palani is an ecosystem where Dandayudapani Swami is another name for Lord Subramanya, revealed the science of Aushadha and Siddha to the whole world. Lord Subramanya, as Dandayudapani Swami, initiated Bhogar, so one of the 18 Siddhas, into this science, and after which Bhogar had written extensively on the science of Siddha and Aushadha. Swamimala is the ecosystem where Paramashiva asked Subramanya if he knew the meaning of the primordial Pranava Om. Lord Subramanya said that he knew the meaning of Om and can expound it to the later only if he can accept him as Guru and listen to the exposition as a devoted disciple. As Paramashiva accepted this to the request of Lord Subramanya and heard the exposition of Om as a disciple, Subramanya then received the name as Swaminatha Swami. Tiruttani is the ecosystem where Lord Subramanya settled down from his ferociousness state into blissful state after destroying the demon king Shurapadma. It is here that Subramanya himself performed the Shiva Puja to offer gratitude to Paramashiva for gracing victory in the war. Pajamundri Cholai is the ecosystem where Lord Subramanya playfully tested the devotion of his ardent devotee Avayar to show the world the greatness of his devotees' bhakti towards him. Today, we're offering, our Gurukul Balasans are offering the Uttama Seva to Lord Subramanya on the eve of Skanda Sashti Vrata. Let us all stay tuned and watch this divine Uttama Seva. We offer this Seva as a gratitude at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam. Let us all stay tuned and watch and get the blessings of Lord Subramanya and His Divine Holiness Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you, Nityanandam.
What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa.
The first offering
What I
at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Chaturveda. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadaraya. Rigveda Hari Om Agnimi Purohitam Yagyasya Devam Ritvidam Hota Aram Ratnadatamam Hari Om Yajurveda Hari Om Isheto Jetva Vayavasto Payapasta Devo Vastavita Prabdaya Dushteshtatamaya Karmane Hari Om Samaveda Hari Om Agna Ayahi Pitaye Grihano Havyadataye Nihota Sapti Barhishi Hari Om Atharva Veda Hari Om Channo Devi Rabhishtaya Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Sayo Rabhishtavantu Naha Hari Om.
The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwari Paramashiva is the offering of the Agama Shlokas. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agama Shloka Priya Agama Shloka Namadharaya.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Ati Kautuhala Vichasya Tachunupriye Yanme Netrantare Vahnir Yadvanritamannuttamam Tatsarvam Katayishyami Yoga Yuktya Shunupriye Yatsvarupam Nijam Shuddham Vyapakam Sarvatomukam Sarvabhutantaravastam Sarvapranisu Jivanam Yoga Kamyam Durasadam Dushpapamagritatamadhihi.
of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Stotra Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadharaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Sadashivaya Sakala Tattvatmakaya Sarva Mantra Swarupaya Sarva Yantra Adhisthitaya Sarva Tantra Swarupaya Sarva Tattva Viduraya Brahma Rudravatarine Neelakantaya Parvati Manoharaya Soma Surya Agnilocanaya Bhasmodulita Vigrahaya Mahamani Mukudadharanaya Manikya Bhushanaya Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Kala Raudravataraya Dakshadvaradvamshakaya Mahakala Bhedanaya Mooladharaika Nilayaya Tatvatitaya Gangadharaya Sarvadevadidevaya Shadashrayaya Vedantasaraya Trivargasadhanaya Ananta Koti Brahmanda Nayakaya Ananta Vasuki Takshakakar Kotaka Shankagulika Padma Mahapadmeti Ashtamahanaka Kulabhushanaya Pranavaswarupaya Siddhakashaya Akashadikswarupaya Grahanakshatramaline Sakalaya Kalankarhitaya Sakalalokaika Kartre Sakalalokaika Bhartre Sakalalokaika Samhartre Sakalanihamagusyaya Sakalalokaika Kartre Sakalalokaika Bhartre Sakalalokaika Samhartre Sakalalokaika Gurave Sakalalokaika Sakshine Sakalanigamagusyaya Sakala Vedanta Paragaya Sakalalokaika Varapradaya Sakalalokaika Shankaraya Shashanka Shekaraya Shashwata Nijavasaya Nirabhasaya Niramayaya Nirmalaya Nirmadaya Nischintaya Nirahankaraya Nirankushaya Nishkalankaya Nirgunaya Nishkamaya Nirupaplavaya Nirupadravaya Niravadyaya Nirantaraya Nishkaranaya Nirantakaya Nishprapanchaya Nissangaya Nirdvandvaya Niradharaya Niragaya Nishkrodaya Nirlopaya Nishpapaya Nirbhayaya Nirvikalpaya Nirbhedaya Niskriyaya Nistulaya Nissamsayaya Nirupama Vibhavaya Nitya Shuddha Buddha Paripurna Satchidanandadvayaya Paramashanta Swarupaya Tejo Rupaya Tejomayaya Jaya Jaya Rudra Maharaudra Bhadravatara Mahabhairava Kalabhairava Kalpanta Bhairava Kapalamaladhara Khatwanga Khadgacharma Pashankusha Damaru Shula Chapa Bana Gada Shakti Bhindipala Tomara Musala Mutkara Pasha Pariga Pushandi Shatagni Chakradhyayudha Vishanakara Sahasramukhadam Prakarala Madana Vikatattahasa Isparita Brahmanda Mandala Nahendra Kundala Nagendra Hara Nagendra Valaya Nagendra Charmadara Mrityunjaya Trayambaka Vishwarupa Virupaksha Vishweshwara Vishabhavahana Vishwabhushana Vishwatomukha Sarvato Raksharakshama Jwala Jwala Mahamrityumapamrityubhayam Nashaya Nashaya Chora Bhayam Utsadaya Utsadaya Vishasarpa Bhayam Samaya Samaya Choran Maraya Maraya Mama Shatrunne Uchataya Uchataya Trishulena Vidharaya Vidharaya Utharena Bhindi Bhindi Khadgena Chindi Chindi Khatwangena Vipodhaya Vipodhaya Musalena Nispeshaya Nispeshaya Banehi Santataya Santataya रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय भूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेताल ब्रह्मराक्षसगणानि संताटय संताटय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु मित्रस्त्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय नरकभयान् माम् उद्धर उद्धर सञ्जीवय सञ्जीवय क्षुत्तुद्भ्यां माम् आप्यायय आप्यायय दुःखातुरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छाटय आच्छाटय मृत्युञ्जय त्रयम्बक सदा शिव परमशिव नमस्ते नमस्ते. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Dravida Vedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Dravida Veda Priya Dravida Vedam Avadharaya शिवातिचित्रम्बलम् मन्दिरमावदनीर वानवर्मेलदनीर सुन्दरमावदनीर तुरिकपडवदनीर तन्दिरमावदनीर समयतिलुल्लदनीर செந்தூர் வாயுமை பங்கன் திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு வேதத்தில் உள்ளது நீரு வெண்துய தீர்ப்பது நீரு போதம் தருவது நீரு உண்மை தவிர்ப்பது நீரு போதத் தகுவது நீரு உண்மையில் உள்ளது நீரு சீத புயல்வையில் சூழ்ந்த திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரு சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். The next offering at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Sangeeta Seva. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव संगीत प्रिय संगीतम अवधारय। नित्यानंदं परम सुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलम् सर्वदी साक्षिभूतम् भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। पच्चमयिल वाहनने शिव बालसुब्रह्मण्यने वा निश्चयल मुन्नेले வைத்தே நெல்லளவும் பயமில்லையே அலைக்கடலோரத்திலே எங்கள் அன்பான சண்முகனே அலையா மனம் தந்தான் உனக்கு அனந்த கோடி நமஸ்காரம். கொச்சை மொழியானாலும் உன்னை கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி பாடிடுவேன். சர்ச்சையெல்லாம் தீர்ந்ததப்பா, எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவுதப்பா. கொச்சை மொழியானாலும் உன்னை கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி பாடிடுவேன். சர்ச்சையெல்லாம் தீர்ந்ததப்பா, எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவுதப்பா. பச்சை மயில் வாகனனே சிவபால சுப்பிரமணியனே வா, நிச்சயெல்லாம் உன்மேலே வைத்தேன் நெல்லளவும் பயமில்லையே. அலை கடலோரத்திலே எங்கள் அன்பான சண்முகனே அலையா மனம் தந்தான் உனக்கு அனந்த கோடி நமஸ்காரம். கொச்சை மொழியானாலும் உன்னை கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி பாடிடுவேன். சர்ச்சையெல்லாம் தீர்ந்ததப்பா, எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவுதப்பா.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
At the feet of Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri is the offering of the Nitya Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nitya Priya Nritam Avadharaya.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa. What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa.